It's yet another tutorial again. Welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Hello everyone, you're welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to cut and sew a Ghana baby skirt. This is for 2 to 3 years of age. It's an easy, straightforward tutorial. If you're new here, my name is Ukogene and you're welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. If you're already an old subscriber, thank you for sticking with me. So in this tutorial, we'll just be needing a piece of fabric, an elastic band and some measurements, which is your waist circumference and the length of your skirt. We'll also be needing your sewing machine, of course, to join. Let's go straight to the tutorial. Okay, so for this skirt, the length is 15 inches and the width is 44 inches, and I'm working with the waist of 20, so I'm going to gather like the front and the back separately. So as you can see, the width here is 44 inch and the length is 15 inches. So what I will do is I will just divide them into two. I'll gather the front and I'll gather the back and show you. So I've finished gathering the front and the back, as you can see. So if you want it fuller, you have to increase the width instead of 44. So what I will do next is I will join the sides. I will join the sides of the skirt, and then I'll go and hem the waist, the downside. So I will be hemming the downside. So I finished joining the sides and I finished hemming him. So what next we are going to do is to fix the band and the elastic. So the width is 11 inch and the length is 4.5 inch. So we'll just join the sides and we'll fix it. So as you can see, I've joined the band and it's time to fix the band to the waist. So what I will need to do is I will have to trim some excesses at the waist part before fixing the band, and the band will be fixed the front side to the front side, like you're trying to wear the skirt to the band, right? Front side facing front side, sewing edges facing sewing edges, like what I'm doing in the video. So you just insert it in and bring it out and you will sew it round. So this is after fixing the band. The skirt is actually coming out looking so nice. So what next I need to do is I need to fold the band in. You know, I just fixed one step, which is front facing front, right? So now I need to fix the other step by folding it in just like this, so I can have the band looking pretty. But before then, we have to cut excesses at the waist. So let's go. So now I'll just fold it in. So I'll take half an inch first, fold, and then I'll put it directly on top the joining line. So it will be directly on top the joining line, like what I am doing. And after doing like that, I'll just have to pin it round so I can just go to the sewing machine and sew. Please remember, after when you're sewing, to leave like 1 inch to insert the elastic band. So you will leave like 1 inch to insert it. So this is the finished skirt look. I've inserted the elastic band, so I left 1 inch and I inserted it. And the elastic band, it's your waist minus 2. So I actually cut out 18 inch. It's a 1 inch elastic band and I cut out 18 inch and I inserted it. Now look at the skirt looking so beautiful, and it can be paired up with a white top and sneakers. It can be paired up with a red top and sneakers, or even black top and sneakers, or turtleneck, whatever the case might be. So thank you very much for sticking with me, for watching this video. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and share this video. Bye.